With your 15,000 per month, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong complete finished townhouse here at Barangay Guyong, Santa Maria, Bulacan. 100% flood-free community and along the highway subdivision kaya very accessible ang location. Welcome to Las Palmas. Ang kagandahan with Las Palmas, madali ang turnover ng ating property. Now, let's have a quick house tour with our townhouse. Gate and fence are already included upon turnover. It's a complete finished turnover, painted na ang mga walls, and nakatiles na po ang ating flooring on the first floor and on the second floor. You have 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Tara, pasok tayo. Let's check the house. Gate and fence are already included upon turnover. Yes, kasama na po siya pagka-turnover po sa inyo ng bahay. So, you have your space here for your pocket garden or for your terrace. So, complete finish po ang turnover ng ating bahay. So, naka-tiles na po ang ating mga flooring. Look at the tiles. Napakaganda ng ginamit na tiles. Napakalinis, napakaaliwalas. So, imagine with your 15,000 pesos per month, complete finish na ang turnover ng inyong townhouse. This is your toilet and bath. So, complete water fixtures na rin po siya. Naka-tiles na rin ang ating flooring and yung ating wall. And you have your service area. Ang kagandahan dito, naka-covered na po siya or may wall partition na yung ating service area. This is for your kitchen extension and for your laundry extension. Diba? Napakalaki pa ng inyong space for your service area. Pwede nyo rin pong pabubungan itong service area if you want. So as you can see, malaki po ang ating area for our service area. And that would be your space for your dining area and for your living area. So ang ganda ng tiles na ginamit, 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. So, upon turnover, ganito na po ang ating stairs. Naka-concrete stairs po tayo and naka-tiles po ang ating stairs and steel handrails po tayo. So, what you see is what you get po. So, dito po sa ating second floor, naka-ceramic tiles na rin po tayo. Wooden type na ceramic tiles. Diba napakaganda ng ginamit na lang tiles. Hindi talaga tinipid. So, we have 2 bedrooms here on the second floor. So, this is your first bedroom. So, each bedroom, meron din itong sari-sariling bintana for natural light and ventilation. And that would be your second bedroom. So, malaki po itong ating second bedroom. And you have your mini balcony here on your second bedroom. Diba nakakatuwa? With your 15,000 per month na monthly amortization here, magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong klaseng townhouse. Very affordable ang ating house and lot na ito. And kung until now, nangungupahan ka pa rin, maybe this is for you. Nagustuhan mo ba ang ating house tour? Ang monthly income requirement natin dito is for only 54,000. So, pwede po kayong magkaroon ng co-maker or co-borrower. So, kahit dalawang co-borrower po, pwede. So, very affordable lang po for only 15,000 pesos. We have few units left here at Las Palmas. So, if you're interested, please do call me at 0927-347-9967 for inquiry and reservation. Para ma-schedule po natin ang inyong site viewing. Para ma-unlock na natin ang inyong dream home this 2025. See you!
So just keep on dreaming. One day you'll see. You can wish for the world, but still what'll